Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find broken links. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so finding broken links on Semrush is a straightforward process and can help you improve your website's SEO by identifying and fixing dead-end links. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard right here and go to the site audit. All right. And from here, just type in your domain that you want to run an SEO and analytics to uncover the any priority technical issues that you might wanna face with. All right. For example, I don't have my specific website in mind, but let's say I'm going to type in youtube.com, or maybe click the start audit. Let's check what we have here. All right. Now we have a separate video on how to do a site audit that you might want to check in our channel, but I'm gonna skip that because we have a video for that. So I'm gonna click the green button here. All right, so let's go back here. So apparently they don't have the D flaps. Well, let's try to use another website, maybe youtube.com, maybe. All right. How about youtube.com? So right here, the technical audit for the G-Plans. All right, so let's click on it and click the more opportunities. All right. Okay, so we're going to use another website, for example, youtube.com. Let's click the start audit. Right, so I'm gonna just click the default options here and wait for it. It'll take a little while. Now it's checking all the technical issues that it may encounter. All right. Once the crawl is complete, you just have to navigate to the issues tab. Just wait for it. Site health is 85%, errors 1. All right. Site performance. If you click on the errors right here, you see the issues. So if there is any broken link right here, look for the issue labeled broken links or broken external links. Apparently, since this is YouTube, so there are specialized team handling all the back ends, we can't see any broken links right here. Or control plus find to type in broken. You see, there are no broken links apparently for YouTube. But of course, once you've done that, you would be able to fix the problem, because you see, there is like an option here why and how to fix it. If you click the an issue here, all right, you see that page URL, you might want to click the results here. If you click that, you should be able to see the detailed list of the errors here in this specific domain. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.